colored water, oh, what's this? The colored water would have, what would happen? Can anyone guess what would have happened?
The tissue will absorb all the water.
Perfect. So two edge, right? Two ends, right, will have the colored water. The tissue will absorb and the color will meet in the middle. Now, everybody knows blue and yellow mix.
Green.
Perfect. So imagine one side blue, one side yellow, and then the water, the tissue absorbs the colored water and it goes in the middle. It meets up in the middle and it forms green. So this is another example of experiments. Now, when you see any experiment, other people doing it, you doing it, there should be a reason. You always ask yourself, why, what, how, okay? So if you see the first slide teacher has shared, the key points like the what, why, how, when, then, that is the very basic, like at maybe below year 3, year 4, year 2, you will ask that questions. Now at your level, you should know or you should be familiar with the key points: manipulative variable, responding variable, constant variable. Can anybody tell me what is a manipulative variable? If you know the answer, you just raise up your hand. I will call out your name. I would love to hear you speak. Anybody know what's a manipulative variable? Or do you want to try? No, nobody knows? So a manipulative variable is a variable that changes. The word manipulate means you keep changing. Okay, so there are 3 variables that you must remember: manipulative variable, constant variable, and responding variable. These 3, let it be a test, let it be an exam, let it be tabulating your data, you will have to know and it will come out in any science level, any form, any standard. These 3. Now what happens? How do you remember it? Manipulative variable is variables that keep changing in an experiment. Okay? Constant variable, as it says, constant. Constant means something that does not change. Then you have responding variable. Responding variable is, why are you doing this experiment? What are you finding out? That variable, what has changed? The after of the variable, okay? So these 3 you have to remember. Now we go to another one: hypothesis, inference, and aim. These words are very scientific and at your level, this will not be easier. Unfortunately, you need to get familiarized with these words. You need to remember these words, okay? Inferences means reasoning. For example, now we say, let's say Aloysius did not go to school, and then I ask him, Aloysius, why you did not come to school? So what am I doing here? I'm investigating, right? I want to know why Aloysius did not come, and then he's like, because I went for a holiday. So the fact that Aloysius replied me because I went for a holiday, that's an inference. He's giving me a reason. My investigation concludes that Aloysius did not come to school because he went for a holiday. Now I give an example. See if you can think and answer me. Oh no, my plant died. My plant died. It's not alive. My plant's not alive. I ask a reason. What happened? What happened? What happened to my plant?
Didn't give enough water.
Perfect. You did not give enough water. So that is an inference, an example of an inference. Reasoning. Okay? You get that? Everybody crystal clear about reasoning, inference? Yeah? Okay, now we go to hypotheses. What's a hypothesis? There are 2 things, hypothesis and prediction. They sound similar, but they are not similar. So the plant, yeah. So the plant didn't take sparkling water, of course. So there are two difference, yeah? Hypothesis and prediction. Prediction is you predict, you know already. That means I know that, okay, I know my UPSR, for example, my results are 5A. And then I'm like, I will go to secondary one, I'll get the best school. I'm predicting already. But hypothesis is before I know my results. I assume. So I say, hey, Aloysius, you study so much. I'm very sure you're going to get an A for your English. Hajita, you studied very hard. I'm sure all your subjects are going to be A. This is a hypothesis. Okay? Then prediction means your results come out already. Aloysius got an A. Hajita got all A's. I'm telling them, I'm very sure next year you are entering the top class, the first class. That is very likely to happen because my hypothesis was correct. I assume they will get A's. They got A's. Now I predict they will go into the first class. Everybody understand hypothesis? Okay, very good. So it's clear. I will, if you need me to repeat it from time to time, we will do it, okay? Aim. Another important thing. Every time you start something, there should be an aim. You go to school, what is your aim? To study, to learn, to make new friends, to go up the ladder in education. That's your aim. You do an investigation, you do an experiment, there should be an aim. Nobody blindly do anything, okay? So if you go to university, you go and study, you graduate, there should be an aim. Why? Why do you want to go to the university? Because I need a degree certificate, then only I can work. So that's your aim, okay? Now we're going to go down. Okay, can you go to the situation slide? Where you see this man all dirty sitting there. Okay, since, yeah, can you see the guy there? So I want to know, maybe for this one, I'll pick you out, then you just answer me. So Mimi, what is your observation? You saw that picture of the man sitting there in that soiled clothes. What did you see from in your own words?
He's covered in soil.
He's covered in soil. So that is an observation. She is telling me what she saw. So Mimi said that he is covered in soil. Maybe Durgesh, Hajita, Sachin, your answers might be different. You might answer me, he is dirty. The man looks dirty. Another person might say the man looks messy. Your observation is yours. What you see, only your eyes and brain can tally. What I see is what my eyes and brain tallies. Okay? So we all will be different. Our answers will be different. But we all see the same thing. That's an observation, individual observation. Okay? What do you assume now? I want a hypothesis. I need you to assume. You see the man dirty. What do you assume? Who
He
wants to
fell
try
in a
this?
puddle.
Very good. But maybe for hypothesis, you can say, yeah, he fell in a puddle. Okay, very good. Anybody else wants to try? Sachin, do you want to try?
Working in a construction area.
He's working in a construction area. Okay, that's your hypothesis. Anybody else? Maybe a third person?
Fell off a mountain.
He climbed up a mountain. He's hiking. Maybe he was hiking. Then he slipped and fall and he got all messy, right? So he was hiking. Okay, perfect. Why do you think his t-shirt is dirty? So what Durgesh answered, right, that is more suitable for the third question because he went into detail like, oh, maybe he's hiking, he slipped and fell. Now we go to the last one. What do you predict would he do next? What do you think he would do next? His shirt is dirty. He's in a mess. He's sitting there. What do you think he would do next?
He would shower.
Go home.
Clean up.
He will clean up.
Wash
Very
his
good.
clothes.
Why? Why? Why do you think?
Because it's dirty.
Yes.
Okay. So now you see you are going back to the root. I want you to go forward. So I asked you, why do you think he needs to clean his clothes? Your answer favorably would be because he wants to be clean.
Okay.
Okay, so instead of going back to the root, you move forward. Every time you think from the science point of view, move forward. Don't move backward. You move backward, you're going back to the roots. Okay? Okay, now you come up with a situation or use the above questions as a guideline. I need you to, for this one, right, I need you to be able to type it down in the chat box. So for example, what's this here? Wait, for example, Aloysius come up with something. Aloysius, you just type an answer there. I will go through it now. So I give you like maybe 2 minutes. You guys can think over individually, no same answers. So I give the situation of the dirty clothes man, and then you give something similar like that. Give me a situation.
Bro.
Think. What are the situation? Aloysius says student is struggling in his exams. That's a situation. That is definitely a situation. What else? Durgesh, do you want to think? You wanna type something? Think. Aloysius did his already. So Aloysius is done. Hajita, Mimi, Durgesh, and Sachin. You all are left. Someone lost in a game. Someone lost in a game. What game? What game? A very important game. Oh,
game?
you mean in a tournament, something like that? Sachin, your turn. Yeah, that's a good one, Mimi. That's very good because there's more things. Every time you do an experiment, I have to widen it. Okay, well, Sachin, your turn. Hurry up. Sachin, Hajita, Durgesh. Think. A girl got injured while playing the playground. Oh, very good, Hajita. That's something different. Okay, we're left with Sachin and Durgesh. You can do it. Sachin is still thinking and thinking. A guy running from Ohio. Why would he run from Ohio? Maybe a prisoner ran away from Ohio prison makes more sense. So we can investigate why he ran, how he ran. Giving a situation must always allow me to investigate. I must ask you why, how, when. If you just tell me running from Ohio, I'm like, okay, I'm running from Singapore, and then that's it. Like, no way for me to investigate. Durgesh, you're left. It's your turn. Come on. We're waiting for you. Your cat earphones are very cute. They're also very distracting. A terrorist came to bomb a house. Oh, very deep, very politically inclined. But okay, fine, I'll accept that. That's a situation. But I think my most favorite situation would be a girl got injured while playing in the playground by Hajita. That was really good because there's something I can investigate more, and then that I can assume someone pushed her, a mean friend pushed her, or she tripped and fell. She lost her specs, that's why she could not see and all that. So whenever you give a situation, there must be area for questions. Okay? Now, if you go further down, these are the points that when you do your own research, look, moving forward, right, today's topic is a little dry because it's all about scientific skills. But the next time you'll be doing other topics, right, you will be, or we will be together coming up with our own experiments, own research, because we will need to tabulate the data. Okay, so I need you to be confident enough to come up with your own investigation. So cute, Durgesh, that earphones, they're really distracting me. I think I need to get those also. They're so cute. Okay, now if you go down, right, actually teacher wanted to do something with you. Let me just see if I can give it to you to do it now. Okay, I'm sending a link here. Let's see if you can answer this. This is something I think you should be able to answer. Most of you did well. How do I remove this? Everyone in the meeting. Okay. Okay, can you see that? Can you see that? Click on the link. If you click on the link, it will open up to wow, I just gave you the link and I don't know where I kept mine. Okay, it will open up to a worksheet.
Who is
Science.
it?
Wait, did you click up the link in the chat box? Did you get the link?
Yeah.
Oh, the chat box.
Yeah, it's like the live worksheet one. You got it, right? Everybody can see?
Yes.
Perfect. So if you open up the link, oh Lord, what I did. Wait,
Oh.
okay. Did you open up the link? Can you all have a look at the link? Can, right? Okay, it's not so difficult. All you need to do is answer from lesson 1. You go all all the way down. This is something that you would have done in grade 3 or 4. If your teacher went through this with you, if she did not, then don't worry, because you pretty much know what's inference, prediction, hypothesis, and observation. It can be a little confusing. Please hear out to me first before attempting, or if you started, just give yourself a minute. Read the question slowly and properly before choosing your answers. Anybody got yes, correct, Sachin. Is the link grade 3 process skills question? Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. That's the one. Anybody have any questions? Please ask me now. I'll be able to assist you. But you need to do this so that you also get an understanding of what the questions are like if they ever come out like that. I think it shouldn't take you so long, right? 2 to 3 minutes. Is it enough? 2 to 3 minutes to do this? Yeah? No, Aloysius? No?
Yes.
Let's try. After you have finished, when you submit down finish, it will say email teacher or check my answers. Please check my answers. Then you will come out, you will see how many questions you got wrong and correct, and they'll give you a number per 10, over 10. You can discuss with each other through the chat box. I'm fine with that. But do not copy each other. Like, hey, what's answer for number 3? Don't do that.
69.
If you have any problem, you don't understand the question, please feel free to ask me. It's just a very quick check on you if you understand what I'm saying. And please don't worry, when you check your answers, the scores don't come out well, don't worry about it, because these worksheets are uploaded by teachers. They upload answers that's suitable to them, and I'm not so worried about that. I just want to look through your answers. So what you can do is, once you do finish a live worksheet, you can share your screen. You know how to share screen, right? So I can just have a look, but don't share before your friends finish. Everyone has to finish, then you share together, so I can have a look.
Good.
Is it difficult? No, right?
No, not really.
Maybe it's just a little confusing, because when I went through the questions, I felt confused too.
Well,
Teacher, I'm confused with the scrambled letters. I cannot guess the second one. It's so difficult.
Oh,
Okay, wait, let me have a look.
definition-
that's classifying. That's classifying.
Very good. Very
Oh
good.
my
First
God,
one.
thank you so much.
Yes, okay. Hey, that's good. You guys help each other. Very good.
But I do not have to spell.
how about the definition number?
Are you
I
asking
love
me,
it.
Mimi, or you're discussing among yourselves?
I'm asking you.
What is the definition number? So you see, let's say you put the first one is observing. So the definition at the side, right? The 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You need to choose one and one number down there. So observing, what is observation? What is what's the meaning of observing?
You observe the situation.
Yeah, so you must find from 6 to 12.
Good.
6 is
Oh,
out.
okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
okay.
So you have to just give a number, like which one you think. So if you do not
Okay.
know that answer, you do the rest first, then you will eventually get back to that.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Teacher,
Yes, someone call me.
What is the definition number?
The definition number is the one at the side there, right? If you see, they
Oh,
have, yeah, the 6 to 12. So number 6 you cannot use anymore because the down part is hypothesis. They already given number 6 definition for that. So you have to choose like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Which ones of this definition matches the unscrambled words? So first you
oh, I get it.
unscramble all the words. Then you find what does that, okay, let's say classifying. What does classifying means? Sorting or grouping. Then you put number 8. Definition number for classifying would be 8. You get it, Durgesh?
Yes.
Perfect.
How to do the exercise, the scrambled letters, the number 3 one.
Number
three.
Inference.
number 3 is inferring.
What? But they don't have it in the textbook.
Pardon?
Or nothing. Yeah.
Because this is a live worksheet, right? Some of the words from inference, they will say inferring because they do it like a continuous tense.
How about number 4 and number 5?
1, 2, 3,
Number 4 is predicting and number 5 is interpreting.
Oh,
Thank you.
very good.
Yeah.
And the last one is communicating, I think, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is
If you scroll down, right, when you go to number 12, you see the
Oh.
laptop there, right? Can you see
What?
the picture of a laptop on number 12 onwards?
Yes.
So that one is very easy to do. So you put that laptop. So the first small box you put laptop, and
No
then
computer, man.
can computer, can laptop, I don't mind. And then how scientists use each of the following tools. How do they use it? How do you use your laptop and computer? What do you do it for? To serve the
I play blocks through.
no, like this one for science. If you say I play games on it, then it's going to look a bit unscience. So you whatever you answer will be like very science. And then the number 13 are the science. What do you call this? Goggles, lab goggles.
I don't know the names of the things from number 16 to number 19.
Number 16, maybe you can put it as a dripper. Then number 17 is a weighing scale. Sorry, number 16 is the measuring cup. Number 17 is a dripper. Number 18 is the weighing scale. Number 19 is the cylinder. Number 20 is a ruler.
Okay.
This one's a little maybe number 15. This one number 15 you can put it as a looks like a tweezer to me.
for 13, is it goggles?
Can goggles, yes, Mimi.
Teacher,
Yes.
can you tell the tools there again?
Okay, just give me a minute. Where is it? Okay, so the first one, number 12, you can put laptop or computer. Number 13, you can put goggles. Then number 14, you put microscope. Wait, is it a microscope? Yes. Number 15, you put a tweezer. Number 16, you put the measuring cup.
Tweezer?
Yeah, like tweezers to tweeze.
Huh?
Number, Hajita, we're doing number 17, right?
Yeah.
Number 17 is a dripper. Number 18 is a weighing scale. Number 19 is a cylinder. Number 20 is a ruler. They have actually more scientific terms, but we do not need to go so much in depth to it, like we just need to know what is it for, because when you go to your school, eventually your teacher will be taking you to the science lab. You all are already going to the science lab, right? Not yet?
No, only for Reka Bentok.
Oh, for reka bentuk. Okay, so usually they will start doing experiments, I think, in the second half. So they would take you to the science lab and then you'll be doing very simple experiments. Then your teacher will be introducing all these apparatus to you one by one.
Teacher, what do I do when I finish?
Okay, you finish Aloysius, you just give 1 minute, wait for the rest, because if you share your screen, the rest will see your answers as well.
16 is measuring spoons, right?
Measuring spoon, measuring cup, scan, because the one looks like a very big cup also. So I will accept any one of it, as long as you know it's to measure anything in a powder form.
I'm very confused with the definition number.
The definition, you mean the top one, ah? The definition number?
I'm very confused with it.
You very confused with the answers, or you mean choosing the answers is a bit difficult?
Yes.
Yeah, it's okay. Try, just try. Don't worry about the right or wrong. It's just the start, so do not worry about it.
Teacher,
Yes.
how do you spell tweezer?
How do I spell tweezer? Do you want to try how to spell tweezer?
I don't know.
Tweezer?
Perfect. Smart.
Okay.
PW.
I thought it's called pliers.
No, pliers are the one with the very broad front. Tweezers are the one with the very narrow, pointy tips. So they usually do something to pick out.
I don't know how to spell a tweezer.
Tweezer.
Yeah.
You know the good thing about science, usually the teachers will overlook your spelling. They don't
Yeah.
really pay a lot of attention to your spelling unless you get a teacher who is also teaching you English. Then she might have a problem with your spelling that, you're not getting it right. But usually in science, 1, 2 alphabets, they overlook it because the whole aim is to see your understanding of the subject.
My science teacher is very strict about everything.
Oh, she must be then. She pays attention, detail. Some teachers are very detailed, they see everything. I had a teacher who would pay attention if we write like we start capital or not, then we got a full stop or not. That was my biology teacher. So every time we write anything, she wants it to be neat, proper. So then even if she doesn't give you that, she just takes away half mark for saying that you're not neat. Are we done?
I'm still doing the definition number.
Okay. Don't worry about making mistakes. Okay, don't worry about making mistakes. Because this is not something that you will be doing all the time, but it's just for your understanding. Sometimes how you understand things and how it's shown might be different.
Oh my God.
For the dripper, is it okay if I put 2 drops of water?
But
Can-
just want to put
can-
drop water.
What?
Can you can do that?
To drop water.
Drip
Drop water.
water. To drip water.
To drip water can
That's why
to
it's called
transfer
dripper.
to transfer droplets of water can, or something like that. I would not mind.
Okay. What's number 18?
And what do I,
Dripper has, if you study constellations, which we'll do later on, there's a star or a constellation called Dipper, Dipper.
Was
I think I've heard of that
D-I-
before.
P-E-R.
That is a dipper. That is a constellation. What you're going to be doing is a dripper. Use your Dripper. So it's like when you go to the okay, wait, I think I have it. You want to see? Wait. I go and bring something. You want to see? I have something like, or maybe I explain to you now. It's something that those usually it's very famous in facial products for women. They have this round thing that you press up, or medication. You press, it's like air, you press and
Oh,
then you
it's the
pull it up.
one that you squeeze it and then you like dip it all over your face.
Wait,
I need it for my nose.
wait. I'm bringing something.
I think I've seen it before.
I have to use it for my nose.
Okay, I have something. I'll show you how it works. So imagine this the tip, okay? Can you see? This is the tip, okay? So you will open it. Okay, it's open. You see this? Can you see this?
Skincare.
Ah, so this is called like a dipper. The meso, I'll press this and I will release. So it takes all the liquid inside it. So the dipper works like this. You have to press it at the tip, put it in the liquid, and then you release. The liquid will go up. When the liquid goes up, that means it's inside. You see now the liquid is inside. Can you see? Okay.
Yes.
Then teacher release it. Can you see it dropping down, dripping down? Yeah. So this is how a dripper works.
Skincare.
Yeah, this is my skincare, but actually a dripper works like that.
Light skincare.
Light skincare, very light skincare. Oh, the brand is L'Oreal. It's not light skincare.
Yes.
Okay. All done? Can we see your answers?
Do I submit it now?
You can submit it, but don't worry about the scores. I just want to see your answers.
I'm scared. Check my answers, right?
Yeah, you check answers. It will come out 1 or 2, but don't worry. I'm telling you, because the system will check the answers based on what the teacher submitted, not if you're right or not. Don't show me the grades. It's fine. I just want to see your answers. Okay. Everyone, share your screen now. I want to see the.
What is number 18?
I'm embarrassed.
No, don't show.
I
Don't,
got so many wrong.
don't. No,
Same.
it's not
What
wrong.
is
Just
number
show it to me.
18? What's number
What is
18?
I'm so embarrassed.
Wait. Durgesh is asking number 80. Don't worry. Okay, number 18 is weighing scale.
Teacher, I put weighing scale is wrong.
No,
Weighing-
don't worry, because they would have given the scientific name. So do not worry.
Measuring-
Just share me your screen. Share me your screen now. Let me have a look. I'll tell you if you're right or wrong.
Who first?
Teacher, it says the host disabled screen sharing.
Oh no.
Maybe you can try because you're co-host.
Wait, how do I do that then?
You go
I
to
think Sachin has
security.
control. Sachin, you have the control, right?
Sachin
Can
has
you-
control. He's the
Sachin.
host.
Oh,
Sachin.
wait. Is it under the one participant can share at a time? Then
Yeah,
I just
teacher is
click.
under Sachin.
Is
is
the
host.
security under security?
Wait, so you cannot share any? Nobody can share? Okay.
I
No,
know.
never mind, teacher. I can share now. I can share now.
Okay, show me.
Oh, I also can share. Weird.
Okay, Aloysius. This is Aloysius one. Okay, Aloysius, scroll up. Let teacher see.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
I
Keep
have
scrolling.
tons of
Keep
wrong.
scrolling. Go down. Okay, let's discuss this. Aloysius, stop. Go up, boy. I just want to go to the multiple choice. The question 1 to 5. Let's go through that together now. Don't worry, Aloysius. Let's go through yours. Caroline smells the cookies baking is an example of a observation. Very good, because she uses her 5 senses, so it's part of her observing. Number 2, he put C. If I would have read the question the first time, I would have put C2, but it's not C. Let me tell you why. I see the girl wearing a swimsuit. What is that? Observation, seeing, right? I think she is going to the pool. So what happened here? 2 statements together. Saw, observe, then I think is hypothesis. So when 2 join together, it becomes an inference, because this me, I am already concluding that this person is in a swimsuit, so she will be going to the pool. So it's an inference. So this is a bit tricky. Number 3, if she doesn't wear sunscreen, then she will get sunburned because sunscreen protects the skin from burning. It's a hypothesis. I'm assuming that, if you don't put sunscreen, your skin will burn. It can be right, it can be wrong, right? So number 4 is a prediction. Number 5 is measurement. These two is easy. Now I want to know. So Aloysius got 1, 2, 3 out of 5 for this section, right, Aloysius? Durgesh, how many did you get right for this section?
Let me see.
Share yours, Durgesh. You don't have to feel embarrassed. Aloysius shared. He's so brave. Come, your turn. Share. We all would
I'm
like
not
to
brave in real life. I'm very shy.
That's okay. Don't worry about your marks, okay? Just show it to me. Durgesh, your turn. Yes, he's sharing. Okay, Durgesh, show me 1 to 5. So you got 1, 2 correct only. Okay, it's okay. Durgesh is done. Sachin, share me your screen now.
Stop share.
Everybody's going to take turns to share, so you don't have to worry. If you're going up, you're
I
going up
want to be
together.
last.
Okay, Mimi, you'll be last. After Sachin will be Hajita. Sachin first. We're waiting. Okay, Sachin, show me 1 to 5. How many mistakes? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I cannot see your number 5. Boy, you didn't answer number
Teacher,
5.
he left blank.
Yeah. Should answer. Always remember, any exam, never leave blank. You know,
Sachin, you're lucky
I was
you
so
got
bad.
teacher.
I was so bad in maths. Yet, when I used to answer my maths paper, I would never leave anything blank. Even if it means just doing nothing with the answers, I would just write something down. Because my
I
teacher would
got
at
a
least give me
C.
half. So you got 1, 2, 3. Okay, you got 3 correct. Not bad, Sachin, but you should have
Sachin, you're
done
lucky
the
your mom
5th.
is a teacher.
Okay, next one, we go with Hajita. Can you please share me your screen, darling? Question 1 to 5, I would like to see. It's your turn,
Sure.
Hajita.
Sure.
Yes.
My battery is going down. Can I put the charger in present?
Okay, go and put the charger first. Mimi, do you want to go first?
I guess so.
Okay, 1 to 5. Come on, Mimi.
But I'm so embarrassed.
No, don't be.
Because I did a lot of careless mistakes.
The Roblox.
Okay, she's sharing.
Yeah. I got a 4.
It's okay.
Wow.
Okay, that's
I
fine.
have
Don't
a
worry,
lot.
don't worry, Mimi. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I told you it's not going to be easy, and I'm also not expecting all of you to get it all right or something. I'm not so worried. Okay, Mimi, you can stop sharing. Now we're seeing Hajita. Have you put your charger?
Okay.
Okay, now Hajita will share. Hajita, share. Yeah, not bad. 1, 2. Okay, that's not bad. At least nobody got a 0. That's good. Good news is for the multiple choice question, nobody got a 0 or a 1. Everybody got 2 and above. That means it's working. Whatever we're doing is working. Okay. Let me see what I do. I want to continue down. Okay. If you go down to the PowerPoint slides again, my dear, you go down all the way to the last 2 pages. My scientific investigation. I'm learning about equipment, my predictions, method. Okay. Now for this thing, right, you will need to do an experiment, which I want you to come up with your own. Like just now you gave me a situation.
I have to
I do
charge
not
my
want.
headphones.
Okay, the cat headphones are out. Okay, we'll wait for him to come back because I need to explain. Can you hear me, Durgesh? No, he cannot. So we just wait for him to come back.
So do we have to do 2 experiments for this? Wait, no.
Only one.
I know.
Only one. Okay, are you back, Durgesh? You back?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Okay, if you go down to the PowerPoint slides, the last 2 slides, that's slide number 5 and 6. Now, I'm giving you, it's 8:25. You will get at least 5 minutes to think. So that's like your break. You think for 5 minutes what experiment you would like to conduct. Okay, shall I tell you something that I want to do? Do not copy me, okay? So my experiment.
I got one.
You got one? Okay, should I share mine or not? You want to hear mine? I would
don't
like to
think
do.
You should. Someone will
There's someone will take it. Okay,
I'm
fine.
still confused what to do.
Okay,
Egg can float
Aloysius.
on water.
Okay, Aloysius, you need to think of an investigation. That means think of an experiment that you want to conduct. When you do an experiment, usually we do an experiment to compare. For example, I will have to say something. I take a bread, I wet it with water, and one is dried. So I keep both breads in the hot sun. So my investigation is to see which bread gets mold faster. Yeah? Do you understand? So your investigation or experiment, something like experiment. Yeah, think of an experiment that you want to do. 5 minutes. You think before you start, you can send me a message and ask me if I think the experiment is
No,
right.
sleep experiment. You should not tell people.
No Russian sleep. No
If you
Russian
want to do
sleep.
Russian, see anything you want to do not share.
I still
is
don't
just to be unique.
understand. I still don't understand, teacher.
Hajita, are you okay? Is Hajita okay? She's not being active yet. I think she's charging her laptop or phone.
She left. I think she left the meeting.
Elephant.
No, she
Why
didn't.
they?
No, I think Hajita's battery is down. Okay, do not share your experiment. Okay, I'm not going to be interrupting your 5 minutes thing. No sharing.
Teacher, I still don't understand what
I
you
think
do.
already.
Okay,
I don't
Aloysius.
I still don't understand.
Okay, Aloysius.
I
you
think
need to
already.
Think what experiment you want to do. Let's say I tell you, okay, Aloysius, today we're going to do a science experiment. You have to be able to tell me what experiment you want to do. You want to do with the bread. You want to see which bread gets mold faster. You want to do with the plants like I did. I told you one of the plant died. So you can take 2 plants, water one every day. Don't water one for 1 week. Which one will die faster?
Imaginary science experiment.
Correct. Perfect, Mimi. You are going to imagine doing a science experiment, Aloysius.
I just put the experiment in chat privately to you.
And then I will tell you if it's okay or not. But then you have to fill in. You can edit the PowerPoint slides, right? Because it's printed to you, right?
I printed it out.
Perfect. If you printed it, you just fill it in. And how are you going to submit to me? Did you think about that?
Send a picture.
Yes. WhatsApp. Send a picture on WhatsApp and I will keep a tab that way. So everybody
Luckily,
gets
I
to see.
saved your phone number.
Yes.
I don't
You
have
will
a
not.
phone
You
number.
will
I have
not.
Teacher Brenda.
Listen to me. You will not feel shy. Okay. It's good. We'll all go up together. Or if we're going to sing, we're all singing together. So there's no such thing as one fella feels, oh my god, I did bad, so I don't want to share. No. Everybody's at the same level right now. So if you do good, your friends are inspired. And if you do not understand and you somehow do not do it exactly the way it was supposed to be, then your friends will just need to help you out. So that's how we work.
Do we actually have to do it in real life? Because mine is very crazy to do.
No need to do it in real
Okay.
life. You can
I want to do it in
imagine
real life.
the more you think out of the box, the
That
more good it will be
it
because
can-
your brain has the ability to think
No.
out of the box.
Just like maybe like copy off the answers from your previous
It
one
can
on that
float on water.
situation.
You see,
I think
Aloysius,
so.
Sachin talked about what? Russian sleep. I have no idea
What's
what's
a
that
Russian
about.
What
sleep?
is
What
that?
the heck
That's it
is
on
the
Google.
Russian sleep?
I have no
What
idea.
the
Okay, Sachin, but it's okay. I would like to know what's his experiment. So it's keeping me like my curiosity is peaking right now because I am so near Googling what is Russian experiment sleep. It's fine. You can come up with crazy experiments. Write it down. Don't forget. I'm sure you have the printout in front of you. If you don't, then you just have to edit the PowerPoint
Sachin, how
slides.
do you know this? Did your mother
It's
distribute?
very scientific.
This is what Russian sleep be like. This is what
Yeah.
Russian sleeps.
Just
Yeah.
don't share. Sachin, don't share. Don't share. Finish it first. Don't share. You're going to distract everybody. If you do it in your paper, I would like to see the answers. Hajita, do you
I
understand what
have-
to do?
I have two
I don't know what to do,
experiments.
Jess.
Okay.
I made up 2 experiments, but then the
Okay,
second one's
Hajita.
quite funny.
I made
Okay.
up
You see,
two, but
Hajita,
then
what
I'm
you need to do
scared.
is you need to come up with an imaginary
This is what Russian sleep.
experiment. What's Durgish?
Oh my
Ah.
god.
Oh, Sachin want to do this.
What the heck is that? Oh my god.
Sachin want
Is
to
this a
do that.
game?
Hajita, what you need to do is you need to imagine
that is
you're doing an investigation or an experiment. Okay? So you choose what experiment. Let's say I tell you, okay, Hajita, come we go to the lab. We're going to do any experiment you want to do. So now it's the time you think what experiment you want to do. You want to investigate, like what I wanted to investigate, the plants. what happens if I don't water the plant every day? And what happens if I water the plant every day?
Wait, do we need to write it?
Teacher.
Yes, write it down
Hey,
in the,
teacher, I finished.
printout
I'm
that you
gonna
have.
send you.
Which page, Jeff?
Okay.
The
If you
last one.
open, wait. Who's this? Who's sharing their screen?
Oh, what's
Sachin.
that?
Sachin.
Teacher,
Don't scare.
this
Don't
is the
share.
real Russian sleep experiment. What?
Oh Lord. Okay, wait.
Oh my
Let me
gosh,
help
why you guys
Hajita
always
out. Hajita, you go to page 5. Then you see I'm learning about. Then you write the experiment. Okay, you write the name of the experiment. Or I mean not the name, like what experiment you are doing. I'm learning about plants needing water, something like that. Then the equipment will be 2 pots of plants and water.
Teacher, I private send you in WhatsApp, right?
I did not see. WhatsApp WhatsApp or where, boy? You send me on WhatsApp.
I don't
Oh, you
have
send me in
Not
the
yet,
chat box.
teacher. Not.
Okay.
Let me go take this one.
Hajita, you understand already? Then you fill up page 5. So your prediction. So in my case, I wanted to do the water the plants. So my prediction will be plant A. I water every day.
Teacher, can I send the picture? I don't know how to do.
Will be alive. Wait, darling. Plant B that is not watered will wilt. Okay. Yeah, Durgesh, what you were saying?
I can't write the predictions. I only can send the picture of me doing it.
Yeah, that's
can I
what
get
you're
your
supposed to
number?
do. Just send a picture of yourself to teacher.
Okay.
You can
not
get
bad.
her.
I'm going to go do the
Can get
experiment
her
now.
Wait, Aloysius is good. Very good. Go to the method. How are you going to do this experiment?
Teacher, can I get your number?
I need
My number. Wait, let me send it in a group.
It's
Everyone.
in the group. Is
I don't
the
have
admin
Okay,
the
let
one the Jessie?
Okay.
The picture of
This is
her.
me. This is me. That's my number. You can save that.
Oh, it's like
Oh, wait, I'm bending down to take something.
65 right here. Let me use my
Ken?
yeah.
Durgesh has
contact.
actually gone to do the experiment. He doesn't need. Durgesh, you don't need to conduct the experiment now.
Durgesh, just use your mind.
I ran out of eggs.
You ran out.
okay.
Use your brain.
If
Use your
you
brain
have
to
printed,
think.
kids, listen. If you have printed out the worksheets,
Wait,
right?
I can draw
Just
it.
fill it. Durgesh, you can just fill it in, snap a
Durgesh,
photo,
you-
and send me. If you
can
did
just
not
use
print
your
it out,
brain. You don't have to use an actual egg
yeah.
for the
So if you have
experiment.
printed out, just use the printout, the one page, slide number 5 and 6. That's what you need to fill in. You need to just do that. It's a bit chill out now because I actually wanted to do another live sheet worksheet, but I don't think we'll have enough time for that. And then all of you are going to go crazy. Like, I don't want to do.
Teacher, what time? What time does the class
9:30.
finish?
8:45. So you still have a little bit more time. Oh, hi
I
Mimi.
haven't finished. I have to do the method.
Pardon?
I have to do the method.
Teacher, I know how to draw.
You
How
can
to do-
draw, you can explain. I just want to
Just
see.
draw an oval
your-
for the egg.
Yes. The method
Pharaoh.
is just going to be like how you're going to do this experiment. You can say like, oh, I'm going to record this. I'm going to talk to them. So that's the
Yeah.
method. How are you going to conduct this experiment? If you have the printouts, fill up the printouts. If you have not printed it out, then you just edit it online. But important is I get your work. I need to see your work. And it's an experiment and it's an investigation. Only for today you get to do anything because you have not touched the other topics yet. I just don't copy each other is enough.
We don't even know each other except for the Russian sleep.
Yeah, the Russian sleep. That was
The
very.
experiment I can think is
that-
like person A eat a lot of food and person B didn't, and then person A poop a lot and
She's
person
gonna
B
go catch a ghost.
Oh,
What you
you all
no,
are
teacher.
creative.
What
You
is
all
wrong
are.
with you?
Yes, who's calling me?
sleep.
You mean the
just
Russian?
never sleep.
The Russian sleep.
Yeah.
I've never heard of that, Sachin. It's something very new to me. I'm definitely going to Google it
Teacher,
later
it's
and
those stuff that people like
yeah,
to
but whatever you showed me just now, Sachin, was scary enough. So I do not know if I'm going to Google
Teacher,
it
I'm done.
after
I just
class.
want to send a picture.
What picture, Durgesh? Oh, I don't know what pictures you all are sending me. All the scary ones, especially Russian
No,
sleep thing.
teacher, he's saying he finished.
What, Durgesh? What you said to me? What
I'm
did you
done
say?
drawing.
Okay. Have you gone to the method parts? The method
Wait.
part is very important. The first, next, then the one you can
I
fill
need to
that up.
add you.
Remember, you are giving me an investigation you're going to conduct. Imagine you're going to conduct for real. There need to be methods. Huh? Aloysius, yours is very interesting. I would like to know how you're going to conduct the methods. That means how you're going to know, how you're going to compare. Very interesting. And there is a way, Aloysius. You just have to think a little harder.
Can you give a hint? What is he doing?
What's Aloysius doing? Aloysius doing I would say it's a qualitative method. That means it whatever investigation he wants to do is going to involve humans and people sharing their experience, or he measuring their capability with something.
Okay.
My
hope no
my
one copies
experiment
mine.
is people pooping.
Oh, it's not
Totally.
the one you sent me, Aloysius.
No, it's
You changed it. You changed it.
no, I didn't.
If
I
you
didn't.
okay, if you're talking about people pooping, then it involves your digestive system. So in a way, it's also science related.
I also know mine.
Sachin's one is, I don't know if he's still sticking to what he shared. It's going to be very interesting to see. For me
Don't
to
Google
see.
it at night. Don't Google
Yes.
it at night.
No, I will not. I will not.
It's already night, girl.
Yeah, but we're all
Yeah,
together
do it
now. And then if
tomorrow.
later I'm going to Google it sitting alone doing it, it's going to be creepy.
It's already
Do
night.
not.
But
What-
because
what?
we're
Okay.
all talking. We're all having
Can
a
someone
conversation.
even explain to me what the heck is a Russian sleep?
I don't
Okay,
know.
Aloysius.
Tomorrow.
I will explain to you exactly.
No.
Not
It's
in the
too late for
night, not in the
this.
night.
No. I'm going to be, I don't want to be tempted. I'll do it tomorrow morning. I'm going to Google and then you share with me in WhatsApp. If you're going to explain to me further, Sachin, it's going to be through WhatsApp and then you explain to me. I'm just don't want to see back those images. I didn't even know it exists. Who's done? Who's done or who's almost done?
I'm almost done with the first exercise.
Send it to me, okay? Make sure you send it to me. I need to have a look.
I'm also almost done.
I've sent
Yay.
you a part of the Russian.
Sachin is just not giving up on the Russian sleep.
Exactly.
Bro, stop doing the
Why
Russian
is it so effing long? Why is it so long?
What you mean, the PowerPoint slide or what
No,
Sachin sent you?
the message he sent me is like so long.
Because I think he's explaining what's going on. Okay, if you see the sixth part, the slide number 6, the last one, right? They ask you to drawing of the investigation. You can choose to draw. I don't know how Sachin is going to draw. For the results part, I want to know the conclusion. That means when you conducted, in your head, you conduct this experiment. What do you think the results are like? Let's say Aloysius say about one person eat a lot, one person don't eat, and one person poop and all that. So the results will be
Teacher, I
what?
sent you the picture already.
Oh. What picture?
Hey, why is it always blur?
You see a guy with a
Hey,
dark
smart.
brown
I've done this experiment. You know what, Durgesh? I've done this experiment with vinegar. I replaced the water with vinegar.
Bro.
Did you do that?
Tissue and
I
vinegar
put salt.
No. If you put vinegar, Durgesh, you will see a transparent, that object you use will be transparent.
What?
You know, that's so cool. Because the membrane will actually dissolve.
Sachin, turn on your camera. Why do you switch off your
But
camera?
Durgesh, did you think this on your own? It's a very good experiment. Even the one you gave me now, it's very good. Okay, so I got Durgesh one. I think Mimi, you sent me something. Did you? Wait, let me have a look.
It would burst into my eyes if I don't wear
No, who's this?
goggles
Who's
and I
this?
would be
Aloysius, is this you? Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a cat profile.
My one is a picture with a duck.
Okay, very good, Aloysius. Okay, I approve that.
Okay.
This is Mimi's one. Let me have a look.
Mine is
Good
the
job.
cat.
Good job, Mimi.
It's common.
Durgesh, I want to see you doing the The last slide, Durgesh. I want to see you doing the last slide. That's more important because that's the results. And then what I have learned.
That you would make me blind.
Because next week we'll be doing skeletal system already.
I
Right?
What
learned
is
that
that?
the egg
Can you not like shout
What?
your answer?
on
Durgesh,
water.
don't
Durki,
be
stop shouting your answer. All of us can hear your answer, then we'll copy
Now
you.
we will steal your answers if you want that.
then it won't be like there's no element of surprise anymore.
Yeah.
We want element of surprise. So I've got Durgesh, I've got Mimi, I've got Aloysius. I left Hajita and Sachin to send me stuff.
Okay, I did write my first sentence. What else should I write?
Sachin, come on, hurry
I
up. Russian,
just
are you
found out
still
a
doing
way
Russian
to
sleep?
flip my camera upside
Ocean.
down.
Durgesh, what is ocean? Why am I what is this ocean?
Durgesh, you better not do that. I will. Oh my, Durgesh, you say that one more time. Oh my gosh.
There's no ocean, Durgesh. What's
Stop
ocean?
it, stop it. Teacher, everyone keeps making fun of me and calling me Ocean for no reason.
I'm so
Why?
cool.
Oh, you mean because of your name?
No, yeah, there's this student who mispronounced my name as Ocean, and since then,
No,
this
it's a
Durgesh-
very nice name. I had a
Durgesh told
student.
every-
No, it's so nice. Not Durgesh. It's not. It's not ocean.
He
It's
told
Aloysius. It's a
everyone
nice
about
name.
this, and now everybody bullying me about
Hey,
it.
I had a friend. I had a student, ex-student, whose name is Aloysius, and he was very, very sweet boy.
Is it
Nice name. I like the name.
Aloysius here?
Aloysius is a nice name. Oh,
Uh,
ocean.
Yeah.
Sachin, hurry up, Sachin. I'm waiting for yours. Hajita, are you done?
I'm gonna bring my headphones back.
I'm drawing the outfit. Yeah, your cute cat
Okay,
headphones.
so listen to me. I've got 3 of y'all. I'm left with Sachin and Hajita. What we will do is Sachin, Hajita, I need you to send it to me before you sleep today. You have to send it to me. Something at least from page 5. If you don't send me page 6 is fine. But the slide number 5, that needs to be filled up. That needs to be sent to me. So I know what you're investigating. Okay? As for the rest, if you have completed the entire thing, any, you're redoing or what, keep sending it to me. I will go through and I will reply you tomorrow morning. You'll be at school. So when you come back from school, you have a look at my replies. Okay? So that's what we will do. And then next week, we will be doing skeletal system. So that's going to be a little more fun because we will be watching a video together on
Skeletons?
skeletal system.
Can we do an experiment?
Is it your skeletons?
I know. Yeah, we're learning about skeletons, basically the parts of the bones and all that. Yes, correct. After that, you'll be doing joints.
I remember this. I remember today seeing a book in the library saying, "Are our bones bendy?"
Ooh. Are bones bendy? Mimi, you sent me something. Wait, let me see. Mimi sent me.
The answers are
Good job, Mimi.
the answers are not reasonable. I just simply wrote it.
Wait.
Teacher Durgesh has his
Okay.
cat earphones.
I know, it's very cute. Durgesh cat earphones are cute. Okay, everyone. So what we'll do is we'll stop here. Hajita will send it to me later. Sachin, I'm waiting for yours, yeah? Before you sleep, please send it to me. And I assume you're going to sleep early because it's a schooling day tomorrow still. So please send it to me and have a good night and a good coming weekend. I will see all of you next week. If there's anything, I will reply you on WhatsApp. Right, boys and girls?
No sleep.
I don't sleep.
Wait, you don't
Okay.
sleep?
I don't sleep too.
Okay, boys and girls, good night. And
Good
everybody
night.
log off
Bye,
now.
teacher.
No more
Good
coaching.
night.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Sachin,
Hey,
stop.
Sachin.
Sachin, stop. Teacher, this Sachin every day he keeps spamming the chat. Wait, teacher's gone.
Oh no, teacher
Hi,
Brenda.
teacher Brenda.
Hi.
No.
What
Hi,
happened to his
teacher Brenda. What happened?
He muted.
Hi guys. All right. Okay, Sachin is just too
I
shy.
cannot find.
Please. All right. Okay, guys. So I'll see you guys. How are you?
Hello.
So hi Famida, hi Hajita, hi Durgesh, hi Aloysius. So nice to meet you all. Okay. And I'm teacher Brenda here. And sorry for the delay just now. Something wrong with my system earlier. Okay, couldn't get it on time.
Let's
So
talk about my
hopefully
cat headphones.
come again.
Teacher keep complimenting his Durgesh cat earphones.
Yeah, looks like a rabbit.
So
Hmm.
cute.
So anyways, I will see you guys. Aloysius, you can't make it tomorrow, kan?
No.
Okay. So Durgesh and Famida, I will get in touch with your mummies, okay?
Teacher, you can
Because it's
send the
only two of
recording
y'all.
tomorrow, please.
No, it's just the two of y'all, and I've got another two students who can't make it because it's like, they're having all this typosum thingy, so
Oh,
that's why
Teacher, can I
I'm
send the recording tomorrow?
yes, that is if I happen to have the class, okay, Famida and Durgesh, because it will only be both of y'all anyways.
And
So just
teacher,
stop
for